kids. What an exciting resurrection weekend. Even though it rained all day on Saturday, we had the most tremendous family fun day. And then Saturday night at Nashville and Sunday at Rocky Mount and South Rocky Mount campuses, we had such great, exciting services as we celebrated Jesus raising from the dead. Jesus is alive. And we learned all about communion and the importance of what each element means. For instance, we learned that the bread is not just bread, but it represents Jesus' body that is broken for us. And the juice represents Jesus' blood, which is an example of the new covenant that we live under. How exciting to know that nothing can stop God's power. Not death, not hell, not the grave, nothing can stop God's power. When God's power lives inside of us, nothing can stop God's power. So go for it. Live with a holy confidence and know that God is fighting for you. He's fighting through you, and He's fighting on your behalf.
There is no fear in love, but perfect love. Love does not fear. 1 John 4:18.
Well, you can't take it out in the tweet. Can't hear you. Very good.